Vanessa Growlish, and I first want to thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be on the second round, to be an ATA ambassador. And I have here the two videos requested for the second application, which the first one is my creative form, which is my weapons, the San Jobon, and it's called the V form. The V form is inspired on the absolute value in math, which I will give you an explanation and how the form was basically built using the ATA Taekwondo principles. And then you will see Chonjun 2, which is a red belt form. I am right now a blue belt, but this form is beautiful and is very challenging, especially the double kicks. And yes, I hope you enjoy it. Again, this is Vanessa Growlish from Daytona Beach, Florida, and thank you so much for this opportunity.